Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fighcat, proud designer working in London. In this video I want to feature some of my elite Figma tips that I've only just picked up at the start of this year, but they've been saving me a couple of seconds every single day, and I feel like whether you're a beginner or you're more advanced, they can help you save so much time as well. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for future design related videos, and let's get started in Figma. So before we jump in the Figma file, you can grab it by heading and link in the description below and subscribing to my design newsletter, which I send out twice a month, and you'll get this Figma file for free. We already have over 600 plus readers, and you could be the next one. So be sure to subscribe to the newsletter and grab the Figma file, and let's get started. So let's get started with these easy elite Figma tips. So I'm creating this as a series probably called Elite Figma Tips. So I guess they're elite because they help save you so much time. So these are quick fire. So tip number one, pasting into images. So here we have an example where we've got some different images from a Headspace app, but we want to create this new rectangle and we want to paste this image inside. And I had no idea, you had to just open up this actual image panel here and press Command C for the fill, and then you go into the rectangle and then you press Command V and it opens up and it pastes it inside. It's just really simple and effective to do. Otherwise, if you press Command C and then Command V into that rectangle without opening it up, it'll just paste this image inside. So it just even paste it into that position there. So it doesn't work. But then when I open the image up and then I click on the image here and paste it in, it works. So that is tip one, pasting images. Super simple. I just can't believe I didn't know this. I'm sure most people watching this probably knows this one. If you don't, hopefully it'll save you a bit of time as well. But yeah, that's a really simple one. So the next tip we're looking at in the Elite Figma tips is pasting and copying styles. I really wish I knew this one a lot earlier, but it's basically you might be already using styles on the right hand panel if you're using the design system, but there might be some instances where you're not, or it's sometimes just quicker just to copy and paste styles between pages. So say this pink text here, it's using Poppins Bold 12 and this font size, and this is a pink it's using. But say if I want to change this text here to reflect that style, I have to press Command Option C and then I'll press Command V, and it's just changed that text to support that style. And there's various places where this can really help you out really quickly when you're copying over screens, or just really simple and effective stuff. So I just can't believe I didn't know this one. So I'll press Command Option C and then I want to change this meditate text. Oh look, it's pink now. Let's change sleep. Yeah, it's super simple, but I can't believe I didn't know this one either. Command Option C for copying styles and paste them in. So that's another simple Figma tip. So this one isn't directly a tip in terms of visual design or creating styles, but it's when you're working with other people, collaborating together in Figma. I realized if you just press slash, you can start typing on your cursor. So into the Figverse, and it comes up as on your cursor, you can start chatting to people. It's just super funny, super hilarious, and I guess there might be instances where you're just async on the file together rather than voice chat. So you can just say subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, it's just really easy to quickly chat, and instead of going finding Slack or your messaging app, just chat inside Figma. Super simple but really fun as well. So the next tip is how to really quickly search for items inside a design system. Really helpful if your organization has 50 design systems, or maybe even 10, where there's other teams that have got different design systems going on. And instead of going into assets and looking for local files, or even searching for the design systems, just press Command Option O and it brings up that window, and then you can just search for things. I guess I've got no design systems currently connected as I'm on my personal account, but Command Option O, it's really simple because I'll just go Command Option O, search for a button, and it's going to search 10 different design systems at the same time. So let's just say, for example, we're at Twitter, we work for Twitter, and maybe Twitter has loads of different design systems for example, TweetDeck, Twitter.com, Twitter Mobile, Twitter Android, it will search all of them. So I'll search button and then I can find out all the components for the button. So as Command Option O is so much quicker for searching stuff. So the last Figma tip is how to center things in auto layout, because right now everything by default centers on the top left, and for some reason, I don't know whether it's a default behavior, but I'm always looking to center things, and I didn't really know how to do this really quickly before, but I'm here to showcase how to do this, and hopefully it'll save you loads of time. So say for example we're about to create a button, we press Shift A and auto layout, and we're gonna add a fill. Let's just make it white, and then we put border radius here, and I want to add this icon in. And if I add this, can you see when I press on the frame, it's default gone to the top here. I don't know why this always happens, and I wish Figma just made a center by default, but all you have to do to change this is go from top left to middle, and look, your icon's now in the middle. Elite Figma tip, that's going to save you so much time. And I guess everything I use in my day-to-day workflow is using auto layout, so mastering auto layout and knowing these quick tips can save you so much time. But yeah, everything's on the top left ordered, but now make it centered in a couple of clicks and you're sorted. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I can't believe I didn't know these tips at the start of the year, and they'll definitely be saving me a couple of seconds every single day. Be sure to go in the link in the description below to grab the Figma file and check it out for free by subscribing to my newsletter. Comment down below your favourite Figma tips, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for future design related videos, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.